Hello YouTubers, for a 2002 Jeep Liberty, if you're replacing the lower control arm, that is this here. I've done mine now. Mine were pretty bad, as you can see over here. That's the lower control arms. It had rusted and they weren't in very good shape. So I replaced out the whole arm. There's other videos on YouTube on how to do it, but the easiest way is, first of all, suspend the vehicle, put it up on jacks, put it up as high as you can. What you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is loosen those two bolts. This will just come straight off, and then there is this one bolt over here, and then another bolt over here. What you'll need to do in order to get this bolt out, because it will hit the suspension here, the suspensions here, what you want to do is, first of all, take the bolt out for the suspension, loosen this bolt over here so this just swings slightly out of the way, and then you'll be able to get that bolt out over there. When you get to the other side, what you're going to do is you're going to do exactly the same thing, but you're going to have a problem, meaning you're not going to be able to get this bolt out because this muffler is going to be in the way. So the best way to do it, to have the least amount of work, is to, on your muffler, undo those two bolts there. Undo those two bolts there on the muffler. So that's two bolts there. And right here, mine's might be a little different because I have a boiler exhaust. But what you'll find here is right there, that hook that holds it up, take that hook out. If you don't want to put excess stress on this remaining hook, which will be holding up the rest of the exhaust, what you can use is some bungee cords, which is what I did. Bungee cords, just strap down some bungee cords. What will happen now is, once you've taken this hook off and you've undone those two bolts, the whole of this here will drop, giving you enough room to take that bolt out over there. And that's the only difficult part. That differs this side from the next. I did the other side first and then this side because I knew I'd have the problem with the exhaust. So I hope that helps you out.